Hello, we would like to tell you about our small friendly town of Kurganets. It was founded in 1855 and the stanza of Kurgane by the Cossacks. It was renamed and granted town status in 1961. The population of Kurgansk is almost 48,000 people. This is our Palace of Culture. People come here enjoy the different concerts it holds. There are also afternoon activities for children on the second floor. It's a library. Our museum, founded in 1966, is housed in a two-story building. On the first floor there is a hall containing the history of Stanция Kurgane, and on the second floor there is an art gallery. This is our eternal flame, which is situated next to Nika monument, which commemorates the people killed in the Great Patriotic War 1941-1945. Around the monument are some artillery guns. Our town square is large and was celebration Kurganets Day recently. The festivals were enjoyed by adults and children alike.